Today we are making a image generator app like that, in which if we write any name like a girl, then it automatically generate a picture of any girls like that. If we write here anything, like if we write here a car, generate image, then it generate image of car. We can start to make that button. So first we should create a folder of name of image generator, like image dot html. Now we first start from the HTML. Now we are creating a button at which when we click on this button, then our image will be generated. So copy this link and paste on our style sheet. So the script code, JavaScript code, and this link is the Bootstrap link and JS link. you can copy from the Bootstrap website, and this is the Bootstrap style sheet.